Hey y'all, it's Janetta coming to you with a major color correction on textured hair with BB Bleach and Eden Blonde. My client here hadn't been in for a touch. Well, she'd been in, but she hadn't gotten a touch up on her bleach in about a year actually. And so I wanted to go ahead and even her canvas out. And when you're approaching a color correction, you have to look at each problem as it lies. And so here, I knew I definitely needed to match and have an even canvas to put the end result, the end color on. And so I am going in an inch away from the scalp with BB Bleach in 30 volume. And I'm blending it in right up into that line of demarcation. Now you have to be like super careful because I am using BB Bleach Easy Lift in 30 volume. I do not want to overlap that previous bleach because I'm gonna use another bleach formula on the ends to help even the canvas. So as I'm going through, I'm actually working my way down from the top to the bottom of the section. Once I've reached the bottom, the nape of the section, I'm gonna go back through, take those same partings, pull them down, and then put pieces of cotton in between. The reason I'm doing that is to keep the bleach wet and to kind of to help to keep the overlapping from happening, because I really am serious about not overlapping that bleach on the previous hair. I'm gonna let that hair process until approximately halfway through. I take the cotton out. I apply BB Bleach with 10 volume and Bond Rebuilder to the ends of the hair. Process that until the mids to the ends are even. I lightly shampoo it. After I've done that, I stick her under a cool dryer, let it air dry, and then I applied BB Bleach 20 volume to the root and let that process. And you come up with an even canvas. So I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo her. After I've shampooed her, I then give her a cellular madre restructuring treatment and let that process for 15 minutes. Then I toned her from roots to ends with our harmonizers 0.01, 0.02 with 20 volume. And that 0.01 and 0.02 is actually equal parts. Now that's what I call a color correction. That is an even canvas, level 10, perfect to deposit your Eden Blonde on. Make sure when you apply your formula for Eden Blonde, you make sure you put it on dry hair. So we've let that Eden Blonde process, we've shampooed the hair. Now we are applying our scalp and fiber restore to the hair, brushing it through, getting the benefits of sealing that cuticle down, giving it shine, as well as locking in that color. So here you can see the before of the correction, and here comes that after, and it is magnificent. I think Eden Blonde is one of my favorite colors to date. This formulation, it rocks. I really appreciated Hairbrain having me to do this color correction live for them, and Cassie coming out with the interview. Of course, follow Alpha Park USA and follow Watch My Hair Bounce to see more of these types of color corrections.